Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 23. 그만해, 그만해, which means stop it in Korean. Again, the word 그만해 is used to say stop it or enough in an informal manner in Korean. How do you write 그만해 in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable 그 is written by join first, a gyuk character followed by an character. The second syllable man is written by join first, a miem character followed by an a character followed by a nian character. The last syllable he is written by join first, a he character followed by an e character. And with that, you've just learned 그만해. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 13 to 22. But don't forget our word for today, word number 23, 그만해, which means stop it or enough. Word number 22 is 좋다, which means good or great. Word number 21 is 감사해요, which means thank you. Word number 20 is 고맙습니다. This is a formal way of saying thank you. Word number 19 is another way of saying thank you, 고맙다, but this is considered informal. Word number 18 is 잘 있어, which means stay well in an informal manner. Word number 17 is Jalga, which means go well in an informal manner. Word number 16 is Juseyo, which is used to say please or please give me. Word number 15 is 맥주, which means beer. Word number 14 is 돈, which means money. Word number 13 is sagwa, which means apple. And this is the last word for our review. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss about the word Chingu. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.